Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. When I walked into this home, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a video, and then I saw this floor. I have never seen this floor before, so I know it's not, I've been here for years, so I know that it isn't a floor from the past. I'm really hoping and rooting that it's gonna be a floor for the future. Check this color out. It's got some light tans in it, and some grays and some whites. I like it. We've got some amazing things coming up here at Champion Homes for next year, and in the very near future. I'm gonna be showcasing some homes next week that is from a brand new product line for us, so stay tuned for that. We've got some new walls coming besides what we see for an accent wall that we're currently offering now, and I will give you a little bit of a hint, a little bit of information. It does look like brick, and it is a very light color, so I think it's going to be excellent. When you're doing these accent walls, from my experience and from all the homes that I see, they look really good, especially when you're covering just one wall like that. And this new accent wall that we have coming, I think you guys are going to think is pretty awesome. So I'm not sure if we're going to keep this accent wall anymore. I'll find out more for you guys. I'm standing in a 16 by 76 3-bedroom, 2-bath. A lot of times when I walk into these homes, they are going to parks, because unless I'm making a video of a home that I designed and created, these in most cases are going to parks. So, but we ship to parks, we ship to private land. It doesn't matter to us where you're gonna put the home. Here we've got a galley kitchen, we've got white in the cabinets and desert springs on the countertop. Looks like standard electric appliances, and showcasing the Whirlpool appliances all in black. 18.2 cubic foot on the refrigerator. Now I'm going to whip it around here just so you can see how wide open this floor plan is. One of the largest, so around 1,152, 1,155 square feet of space for you and your family. Wide open here. Coming to the master bedroom. If there's anything you're going to do to a home, enlarging this window in the master bedroom is a big one, guys. Letting that natural light in just makes the room appear, well, this one is a very large bedroom, but also it just makes it appear larger. Coming into the master bath, it's a very simple master bath. They kept the tub shower combination. We've got the commode there, vanity. And here is your master closet. Tucked away back there is the water heater. And then same thing going back here. We've got a second bathroom and also 2 other bedrooms. So I'm just gonna peek in the first one because they're both the same size. And I believe I have a video of this same house just a couple videos back. So tub shower, vanity, mirror. 16 by 76, but what I really wanted to show was this floor. Please let me know what you think in the comments. If we get enough good positive feedback about it, maybe this will be one of our choices in the very near future. Like I said, stay tuned. We've got some great things coming, and prices are looking good. So I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.